Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today gonna show you how to add the picture into your contact from the list of your phone. To this operation, go to your phone, go to contacts here, choose the contact which you want to change the image of it. Click on edit, click on apparat logo here. You can take photo or choice image from your gallery. Choose it and assign the place of your image to get the face. Accept, and you have your new image of your contact here. Let's go back, and as you see, we have new image of our contact. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe. See you by next video. Hey.